Transitions are one of the easiest ways to make video edits feel smoother and more professional. They help scenes flow naturally from one clip to the next and can improve the overall pacing of your video. And in Adobe Premiere Pro, adding transitions is actually very simple once you understand the basics. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to add transitions in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project you want to edit. Now import your video clips and place them onto the timeline in the order you want. Transitions are usually placed between two clips to smooth out the cut from one scene to another. To access transitions, open the Effects panel inside Premiere Pro. This is where you'll find video and audio transition effects. And that's your full guide on how to add transitions in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create smoother and more professional-looking video edits using Premiere Pro.